beautiful day here in Cornwall, and I'm at 19 Gendalls Way, which is a fairly modern property. Our vendors have been here since 1996, and it's been their home that they brought their family up in. It's got a lovely garden, which I'll show you in the videos, and it's got 3 bedrooms on the first floor and a bathroom, and then downstairs here it's got a lovely kitchen, diner, come breakfast room, and a comfortable living room that overlooks the garden. Come along and have a look.